This conference will now be
infrastructure.
recorded.
Like Splunk, like there are three components basically: Splunk search head, indexer, and forwarders. So maintaining whole infrastructure, uh, doing data onboarding, all this is part of Splunk administration. So what are your exact requirements?
Admin actually.
Admin part.
Yeah, admin.
Okay. Okay, I can I can teach you about admin. Okay, so basically, I'll tell you like whatever things I'm gonna cover. Okay, so all about first of all infrastructure. What are the components of Splunk? Okay, all the three components plus additional components, whatever are there, all the, and like about configuration files, whatever configuration files are there. Okay, whatever configuration files are there, I'm gonna cover. And next thing I'll be covering about infrastructure, how to set Splunk in those components. All these things I'm gonna cover.
Yeah, sure.
For example, okay, uh, there is indexer, like there are three major infrastructure. Okay, structure, then second is, then there is clustered architecture. Okay, so I'm going to cover all those three. What is the difference, all the like how to set up these three. Okay, what are the advantages, disadvantages, then data onboarding, then how to onboard data in clustered architecture or in normal architecture. Before that, installation of Splunk, then how to forward data from forwarder to indexers. All those things I'm going to cover.
With 1 minute. Actually, your voice is not audible, so in between it's
Hello.
getting a break. Hello.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Is it audible?
Yeah.
So I'm
It's audible, but the
saying
thing.
I'm gonna cover. Mhm. Hello.
Your voice is cutting in and out.
Hello.
Actually. Hello.
Is it okay? Is it okay now?
Even now also.
Hello. Is it okay
Actually,
now?
you're audible, but you're cutting
Hello.
out in. Hello. Yeah, I can hear you.
Your voice. Uh, just give me a second. I'm joining again. Okay. Just give me a second, please.
Yeah.
You can see.
This
Okay.
conference will now be
So
recorded.
I'm gonna cover like okay. There are like basically different components in Splunk, as you know. Okay, like search heads are there. Then there is indexers, all those things. So I'm gonna cover okay, what are different components of Splunk? Basically, search heads, then indexers, then forwarders. What are the different types of forwarders? Like universal forwarder, index, and like see if you see here. Okay, if you see this diagram, there are like indexes, then there are search heads. Okay, so I'm going to cover all those things. Okay, how to connect indexes to search heads, how to forward data from forwarders to indexers. Okay, then different kinds of data onboarding, like okay, data can be forwarded through multiple meanings, so I'm going to cover those. And then there are different indexes, there are different, I mean, uh, uh, you were architectures of Splunk, okay, like this normal architecture, then there's clustered architectures, all those things I'm going to cover.
Yeah, okay. So the thing is, I don't have real-time experience in Splunk, so I just wanted to get to know to get a job. So you can teach me accordingly, actually.
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can teach you like about basics of like how much experience do you carry, or like how much experience do you want to show.
Actually, it's like 10 plus years of experience. But the thing is, I have real-time experience in other technology, not in Splunk. But now I just wanted to get into Splunk admin. So, yeah. So, just train me to get into a job. So that is what actually.
Okay, okay. See, because in admin there is lot of things, okay, lot of things. It's a very vast area to cover, to be frank. Okay. So like the first thing is your basics should be clear. Okay. Basics
Okay.
are there. Then there are like lot of lot of other things as well in Splunk. If you in Splunk admin side, if you go deep. Okay.
Okay.
So as a 10 plus years experience, they can like Splunk certifications are necessary. Okay,
Okay.
because they will ask you, even if you show like around 4 or 5 years of experience in Splunk, they will ask you for like certifications.
Okay.
Okay, like a Splunk power user, then a Splunk admin certification, at least these two should be necessary.
Okay.
Okay, so I can teach you basics of Splunk admin, like how all those things are there. And then
Okay.
second thing, there are like, since I need to show all these things to you practically, okay, so you will need to arrange some servers as well. Okay,
Mhm.
servers, I mean, you can use AWS free, like free servers are there, you can use those free servers. Okay, because see, if you are setting indexer clustering environment, if you go in prod environment, there will be TBs of data coming. So if for TBs of data, there will be like around 20, 25, 30 like indexers, then there will be multiple users, so according to that there will be multiple search heads, then there will be multiple data sources, I mean hundreds or thousands of forwarders that will be forwarding data to searchers. But since it's a training, so we will be using, okay, like let's say one or two forwarders, we will be forwarding data from them. Then we will be like two or three indexes we will be creating, and then we will be replicating data on there, on like, I mean, this is a basic thing to understand. I hope you can like get it.
So, the servers you will be providing you the login, or I have to purchase from my end?
See, I don't have access to like I don't have any servers. Okay, so I mean, you can you can create a basic AWS account. Okay, and free AWS account, and from there you can get the servers.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
from there you can get the servers.
Okay.
Okay, this is about Splunk admin. But if you want Splunk development as well, I can go for that as well.
Uh-huh. So, which one? Actually, Splunk admin and developing side is there, right? So, which
Yeah.
one you prefer that I can get into it so quickly? I mean,
Uh,
learning process.
See, if I say, okay, Splunk development is like, little bit kind of coding thing. Okay,
Okay.
coding in the sense like if you know about SQL.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Okay, so it's like SQL only, Splunk SPL. So if you know SQL, then it will be very simple. Otherwise, it is like, you need to practice things. It will take like around 7 to 8 days to learn Splunk SPL.
Okay, I got you. Yeah.
Okay, and admin part also, if you want theoretical is like I can show you things, you can note down things, it will be easier. But when you are going into a company, there will be, I mean, multiple things. Okay, then you must know little bit practical as well.
Okay.
But practical, I mean, practical I can tell you, but main thing is like once like you can look at the videos, Okay, once you are doing things, then only you will get to understand more.
Yeah, I got
So like I have two options. If you want like a development part, I can cover I mean in deep, like how to write SQL queries, all those things, because like in US like there is both of things. I mean both developments, like some companies will like hire you for write creating dashboards, writing alerts, all those things, doing all those things. And some companies will be like, they will be like, doing, I mean putting you into admin part.
you. Okay. Yeah, I'll go
Yep.
with that part. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. So I can tell you about basic admin part. That is fine.
Yeah. Okay.
If you have any questions, you can ask me. Any
Uh,
doubts or any questions?
yeah, I'm good actually. So, how long the training will be to cover the admin part?
I mean, it will take like around 10 to 15 days. 15 to 20 days, you can say.
Uh-huh. So, we'll cover the like practically you will do or just a theory part you.
No, no. See, if you can provide me machines, I can do practically.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. But if you don't provide me machines, I can do theoretically as well. And for theoretically, like, see, charges will be disclosed by Santosh only, but that thing I suggest, I would say charges will be different. Okay, if it is theoretical, then it will be less. If it is practical, then it will be more.
Oh,
I
okay.
can go, yeah, I can go with both. I mean, both the things.
Okay, okay, sure. Yeah.
So your call.
Okay, okay. I'll let you know about that. So I'll just discuss with the team and I'll get back to you about it.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Anything else you can ask me. Any doubt or anything?
I just wanted to know one thing. So how about the marketing in Splunk admin? So how the market is actually? So will I get the job easily or?
See, right now like right now, US market is very horrible. Okay, you
Yeah,
are from US, right?
yeah. Actually, the thing I just wanted to know how about the I mean market and Splunk. So do I get the job easily or it's like very critical to get into it or?
See, it's tough, I would say. Okay, because I have many consultants whom I am giving Splunk trainings, or I am giving Splunk supports. Okay, so I am in touch with multiple of them. So mostly they will say like, uh, things are tough. Okay, if you are getting like if you're marketing, doing marketing and getting a job, it is bit tough right now these days, because candidates are more and positions are less due to the market. But substantially, if like market gets improved, then I think there will be a lot of jobs, because Splunk is a hot cake right now in US. And that thing I want to like tell you. So mostly if you see in Splunk, mostly jobs are on development side in US.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, like because since like if you are going on a permanent payroll for a company, then
Okay.
there will be lot of admin opportunities. But if you're going by a third party, okay, like by a third, like by some consultancy, then there will be most likely chances you will get into a development part.
Yeah, okay.
I know some of the clients, okay, in US, which are like, giving both of them. For example, Visa
Mhm.
company. Okay, Visa is such client where you will see like depends on the team. Okay, if you are part of one team, there you will see both admin and development. And if you are part of other teams, you will see mostly development. Okay,
Yeah.
then there is Mastercard. There again, mix admin and development both. Mostly it will be development, but it can be admin as well. So I mean, for different companies, it is different.
Yeah, I got you.
So it's your call.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go with admin. So the thing is, so just wanted to make sure whether I have to choose the theoretical or practical. I'll discuss with the team and we'll let you know. I mean, they will let you know. I think, yeah.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yeah.
That works for me.
Yeah, sure.
Anytime you can let me know. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, then all good. I think we can wrap up now. If
Yeah,
all
sure.
good from your side. Okay.
Yeah, good actually. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Navina. Thank you, Prakash. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.